All right, just wanted to share with you this handheld camera. This is a H.264 video codec. It gives you 1080p. It's like your little rotatable lens on a little stick. So we're gonna have a look and see what this looks like. You get up to 130 degrees to 270 degrees of rotation. You can do video, and it's got Wi-Fi to connect to your phone. So here it is right here. If you're looking for something fun for maybe the kids or someone that wants to get a little bit creative, there's your screen right there. There's the gimbal. So you have this side over here. Oops, I already started recording. It's got SD card built. It has an SD card that it comes with, so you can record right onto that. And yeah, you do 1080p. You have different modes. Here we'll stop recording. You can go into your photo mode, take photos, and then time lapse, and then your regular video. Press the power button to turn off the screen, and it's as simple as that. So you hit record, and this is the quality that you're going to get from this camera right here. This is what it looks like, and this is what it sounds like as well. So it's not, the thing is it's not like a joystick camera where it's going to rotate. You physically will rotate up or down. So if you needed to get like an overhead shot or something like that, you can use it that way. It's got a quarter thread on the bottom, and it does come with a little tripod. It comes with a little wrist strap, and it comes with a card reader, so you can plug this into your computer with USB-C or use the card reader to see those video files. A great little toy and gadget for, I think it's a good toy gadget for kids. Maybe you don't want to give them one of those fancy ones that they could break easily. Something like this is more rugged, and they can go around and play with it and get a little bit creative with their videos. So this is what it looks like, and thanks for watching.